Super sport time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Real deal 1967 Chevrolet Impala SS Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. Yes, true SS. A couple ways to tell style number on your data plate. It's going to be 16887. That's a two-door Sport Coupe SS, as well as the interior SS trim of 844, so blue in color. This is an original ermine white car, so still looking very similar to the way it would have back in 1967, with the few exceptions of aftermarket wheels, aftermarket stereo. Interior was reupholstered, has been repainted. Take a look at the front chrome. Headlight surrounds, grille. 327 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. This is a factory AC car, and I'm going to get into more of the stock options that this would have came with back in 67. It does have new compressor and lines on it. If you want to see the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, see what I'm talking about underneath there, check out that data tag. Take a look at the VIN, interior, undersides, take a look at the undersides. This is a Los Angeles built car, spent the majority of its life down in the Southwest, Arizona to be specific. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see there, riding on American Racing wheels. 17-inch, new rubber, all four corners. Interior is a cloth vinyl blend. In very nice shape, as you can see. The seat belts you see in there. This car did come equipped with seat belts. We're going to come around to the rear here. Rear antenna, also an option it was equipped with, as well as the remote mirror over on the driver's side. And take a look at the accessories listed on that data tag. You're going to see what I'm talking about. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust running out the rear. Speaking of the rear, 331 rear gears, 12-bolt rear diff. Be able to see that in the underside pictures. Again, those are at UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. A few other things I want to mention before we get up underneath the hood and get it running. It does have KYB shocks all the way around. Tubular control arms up front also. Brakes were recently gone through. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. I'm going to grab the keys, put them in the door so I won't forget. And we're going to fire this up, let you hear it run. Again, check out that engine bay before we wrap up this video. All right, take a little closer look at this interior. Now, I want to show you, there's a few spots. Maybe the paint's been touched up here and there. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Not one you have to be afraid to drive. And as you can see, free of rips, tears, holes. Rear seat. Speakers up on the rear deck. Door panel. Good shape. You'll be able to see the pictures of the bottom of the doors also in the still pictures. And don't forget, take a look at those floor pans in the car from underneath. You can also see front seats, vinyl cloth blend, matching the rear, and free of rips, tears, holes also. Headliner looking good in this one. Dakota Digital VHX gauges, I believe those are. So easily that fires up. I'm going to take a little look at the top of this dash first off. That AC was recharged. It does have the 134 in it. That was done within the last month. That was a cold start, so I'd expect that temperature should be down at 0. See oil pressure. Here's RPMs, tax working, and if you notice at the beginning the clock kind of does its thing, then I believe it goes to where it should, so I guess there's kind of a reset. Just need to calibrate speedometer, fuel gauge working, and bolts here also. Hear that nice sound. Here it dropped down to the low idle. Aftermarket stereo system also. Oh, this one sounds good. Door closes nicely. There's that remote mirror I was talking about in the driver's door. Listen to this. There's a little rumble coming out of that 327, nothing over the top, just nice, deep, throaty sound. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's get this hood open all the way.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there's that 327. So aluminum radiator with shroud. Nice to see that. Power steering, power brakes, nicely equipped. There's that newer AC compressor lines. Polycarb, I believe it's wind intake. Manifold right there. HEI ignition. See in the back. Good looking engine bay. Smooth running too. Like I said, this will be a fun one. Jump in, turn the key, and go. 1967 Chevrolet Impala SS, real deal SS, two-door sport coupe or hardtop. Here at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.